Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at configuration of BOM for subcontracting process. We will cover the following topics in this video. Creation of components used for subcontracting process, creation of BOM and lines for subcontracting, configuration of BOM line for service type of component, and at last we will see approval process of BOM. For creation of service type of component, we need to log into Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with inventory admin. To create component for subcontracting process, navigate to menu category, select the inventory menu category, expand the inventory menu group and click on components. As you can see here, our component list page is open. Now I am going to create a new component record with the help of this create button. Our component create page is open. Now I am going to add the details for mandatory and required fields in basic, pricing and configuration section. Now I am going to add the name for this component as rod dia 2 mm, select class, select component category, then select the consumption type as service. After setting the consumption type, set the consumption pattern. Now I am going to add the dimensional unit group details. Here I am going to select the length units. Now I am going to add the standard price and current price. After adding the details in pricing section, move to the configuration section. Now I am going to add the maintain stock bag as area and add the material as babbitt. Now I am going to add the outer diameter as 2. After adding the required and mandatory details of the component, now I am going to save this record with the help of this save button. As you can see here, our component is created. Now our next step is to creation of BOM and lines for subcontracting. For creation of BOM and lines for subcontracting, here I have already logged in with design user. To create BOM, navigate to menu category and select the management menu category. Expand the management menu group and select the bills of material. Now I am going to create a new bills of material record with the help of this create button. Here our bills of material create page is open. Now I am going to add the name in basic section. After adding the name in basic section, now I am going to save this record with the help of this save button. As you can see here, our bills of material record is created and lines, site, products and component tabs appear on this bills of material detail page. Now Our next step is to create lines for subcontracting process. For that, navigate to the Lines tab and click on the Create button. Select Full Form. As you can see here, our Bills of Material Lines Create page is open. Now I am going to set the type in the basic section as a vendor. Now I am going to add the material details. Select component, rod dia 2 mm, select the production activity, select pricing model. After adding the details in basic and pricing section, now we move forward to stock and dimension section. In stock, add the quantity as per requirement. Here I am going to add the 2 quantity required. Now I am going to add the length for this rod as 10. After adding the details of bills of material line, now I am going to save this record with the help of Save and Close button. After click on Save and Close button, we will redirect to the Bills of Material detail page. Now, our next step is to create another bill of material line. For that, navigate to the Lines tab and click on Create button. Select the item as a component. Here I am going to add body 1.2, then add the production activity. After that, select the pricing model and set to be received from subcontracting flag as yes. After adding the details for this BOM line, click on the Save and Close button to save this BOM line record. Here you can see our 2 bills of material line is created. First is for service type and second is with the subcontracting flag as yes. Now our next step is to select the site and add the product and component record to the bills of material as required. Now I am going to add the site to the bills of material. For that, click on Add Existing button. Click on this checkbox and click on this OK button. As you can see here, our site record is mapped to the bills of material record. Now our next step is to add the product to the bills of material. For that, navigate to the Products tab. Click on Add Existing button. Choose the product as per your requirement and click on OK button. As you can see here, our products are mapped to the bills of material record. Now our next step is to submit and approve of this BOM record. For that, navigate to the Approvals tab and click on Submit button. As you can see here, our bill of material status is marked as submitted. Now our next step is to approve this bill of material record. For that, navigate to the Approval and click on Approve button. As you can see here, our bills of material is marked as approved. So, in this video, we saw the creation of component used for subcontracting process, creation of BOM and lines for subcontracting, and configuration of BOM line for service type of component, and last we saw the approval process of BOM. Thank you.